In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your language in Jira. If you use Jira for tracking work, you might prefer the interface in a different language. The key is that Jira's language setting lives inside your Atlassian account, which means the change carries across the Atlassian products you use. First, open your web browser and go to atlassian.com. On the homepage, click Sign Up to get into your Atlassian account. If you already have an account, just sign in with your usual details. The goal is to land in your account space. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the area where you can manage personal details and preferences for all Atlassian Cloud products linked to your account. In the navigation menu, select Account Preferences. Here you'll find options that control how things look and feel for you. Find the language section and open the drop-down. You'll see a list of available languages. Pick the one you prefer. Availability can vary depending on Atlassian's current support, but the most commonly used languages are typically listed. As soon as you make a selection, Jira will reload automatically. You should notice menus, buttons, and system messages switching to your new language right away. If the page doesn't refresh on its own, a quick manual refresh usually does the trick. Remember, this change affects the interface, not the content your teammates have written in issues or comments. These instructions are for Jira Cloud in a desktop browser, which is the most reliable place to update your account. If you use the mobile app, it will pick up your new preference after you've changed it on the web and signed back in. A few tips to keep in mind. This setting is per user, so it follows your account wherever you sign in, rather than being tied to a specific project or site. If your organization manages accounts centrally, some options might be restricted, and you may need an admin to allow additional languages. Third-party apps or marketplace add-ons may not be fully translated, so parts of their interfaces could remain in the original language. And if you ever want to switch back, just repeat these steps and choose a different language from the same drop-down. That's it. You've updated your Jira language through your Atlassian account in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.